And then of course I had to put the lights on it.
Gear up. 50%.
Yeah.
A nice smooth airplane.
0. 25%. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Okay.
Twenty, 50%. Takeoff flaps. Land flaps.
It didn't pitch at all.
Alright, Johnny, taxi it out.
I can.
Not much light, so we can get details out of
Flaps
the
up.
picture shot.
50%.
Slows down pretty
Time
good too.
remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, Johnny. Okay.
Any credit for that?
25, 50%. Warning, 20 seconds. 50%. 0.
Get it, give me the camera.
25, 0.
Oh, not fast. Well, you're gonna come in now.
Well, Fred, I think that's what it was.
A little too tail heavy.
It looks better.
Yeah.
It's not oscillating.
Not at all. Even with the guns. My next option was to get a 5,000 ordered. That's why I haven't ordered yours yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're getting 20 minutes out of the 3,000.
Yeah.
Really?
Oh no, I was just gonna get that bigger just to make sure I balance it out better.
Okay.
Oh God, that looks great.
Took off at the same spot.
Okay.
Let's see what happens if I do it. There it is. It'll climb a little bit, then it'll come back.
Nobody's do better than me. Yeah, that is way smoother, Fred.
Good, so we found the problem.
Verify all control surfaces are correct. 50%. Gear up. 50%.
Especially since it's a 50C battery.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Wow, sorry, Fred.
Oh, no, you're doing all the way out there.
Okay.
50%.
I was beyond the trees. We're right at the trees.
0. 25%. 50%.
I was telling you.
Fifty percent. 50%. 0. 25%. 50%. 5%.
Since
50%. 1 minute. Gear down.
I think I'm gonna do a bighorn, an OMP bighorn. It's a high wing 3D plane,
yeah.
and it seems like they can do everything.
Uh-oh, you lost something. Yep.
%. 50%. Gear up. Flaps up. 50%. 50. Time remaining 3 minutes.
On the grass runway. Back taxiing on the grass.
Zero. $25, 50%. 50%.
Oh, here we go.
50%. 0. 25 for 50%.
That recovers pretty well.
Time remaining 2 minutes. %. 0. 25%. 50%. 0. 25, 50%. 50%. 50%. 0. 25 for 50%. 50%. 1 minute. 50%. Gear down. Landing flap. Zero.
Okay, we got a little bit of crosswind going on.
G-force 4.17, 50%. Timer 50%. Zero. 25, 50%. Fifty percent. 50%. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 25, 50%. 50%.
Oh, the stops are hard to get.
50%. 50%.
Yeah, I know.
One minute. Landing flaps. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. Reverse mode. Gear up.
That's what it just got.
G-force 5.58. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes.
These are? That's your plane you're gonna fly? Oh, okay.
If I'd known the weather was this kind, the water would have brought the red one to both red ones. Yesterday I couldn't get CG right.
You didn't bring your red one?
No.
How am I supposed to test it for you?
50%.
Bring it another time.
Yeah. I didn't.
50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50, 0. 25, 50%.
There's that free falling. I think he's gonna fly this one more time. Then
0.
he's gonna help with your plane. What's it gotta do?
20, 50%. 20, 50%. 25%, 50%. 0.
I'm gonna get it, and then I'm gonna go sit down.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Go ahead.